Welcome to Media One YouTube channel. Today we want to look at something on bearings. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Thank you very much for always watching us. Let's start. This is a question from SSC 1995. A ship sails from Port R on a bearing of 065 degrees to Port S, a distance of 54 kilometers. It then sails on a bearing of 155 degrees from Port S to Port Q, a distance of 80 kilometers. Find, correct to one decimal place, I, the distance between R and Q. 2. The bearing of Q from R. This is an applied question on bearing. Answer this question. You always have to draw the diagram. Now the diagram will give you a clear picture of what is happening. So let's see how we draw the diagram. Now you always begin with your cross like this. You see, we have 4 quadrants. 1, 4. In drawing the bearing, that's what I'm showing you. We have 4 quadrants. So if you start from quadrant 1, then your final destination will be quadrant 3. So 1 goes with 3 and then 2 goes with 4. So that is the key thing that you need to know. If you start with quadrant 1, your destination will be in quadrant 3. And if you start from quadrant 2, your destination will be in quadrant 4. So we have a ship which begins from R on a bearing of 065. We know bearings are measured from clockwise direction. So we start from the positive y-axis. So here is 0, 0. So that is 065. And this is in the first quadrant. So the destination will be in the third quadrant. So it moves from R to X on a bearing of 065. So the distance is 54 kilometers. Now look at something here. This angle is alternate to this angle, 65. So the ship then moves from S to Q, Port S to Q, on a bearing of 155. Now up from 0, as the positive x-axis, to this point is 90 degrees. But when you get to this side to 180, so 155 will be in the middle, not the middle, a little over the middle part. So that will be the bearing of 155. Now the whole up to this point is 180. So this angle will be 25. This small angle here will be 25. The distance between S and Q is 80 kilometers. Okay. Now why are we doing this? We always try to find this angle. Now 65 plus 25 gives us 90 degrees. Okay. So we can redraw this diagram, or it is a triangle. RSQ is a triangle. So we can redraw the triangle. So 65 plus 25 is 90 and it's at S. So the angle at X is 90. And then RS is 54 kilometers. And then SQ is 80 meters. Now we have to find RQ. How do you find RQ? Now anytime you have a right angle triangle and you know two sides, you can use what is called Pythagoras theorem. And what does it say? The square of the longest side is equal to the square of the two other sides. So QR squared is equal to SR squared plus XQ, that is Pythagorean. So we have QR squared equal to SR is 54 squared plus XQ is 80. So 84 squared, and you get it. and then this is 6400. And when you put them together, you get 9316. We were asked to find QR, not QR square. So QR, the length QR is square root 9396.519 kilometers. Remember, you were told to correct your answer to one decimal place. So come to the top here. QR becomes 96. One decimal place. After the decimal place, the next number is 5. The next number is 5, and then the number after 5 is 1. So 1 is less than 5. So just ignore the rest. So making 96.5. Always don't write the answer straight forward. So you just write this one first before you correct it to the needed decimal place. So that is the question 1. I. So let's look at II. We are to find the bearing of Q from R. Now look at this. From R. It means that you start from R. You start from R and move to Q. So let's go to the diagram. So where is R? This is R, and then this is Q. So if you are looking at the bearing of Q from R, then from the positive y-axis of R to Q. So this is the angle that we are looking for. Bear in mind, from 0 to this point, we know it to be 65. So all that we need to do is to find this angle, theta. So let's see how we can find theta. So the theta is R. Come to the diagram. This is the theta. So, and it is the acute angle facing this side. The side which the theta faces is opposite. And then the side where the 90 and then the acute angle align is the adjacent. So when you have opposite and adjacent, which of the ratios are you going to use? Of course, twa, suka twa, so ka twa. That is opposite over adjacent. So tan theta, tan of the acute angle, is equal to 80 on tan theta equal to 80 on 54 is 1 point. When you divide using your calculator, you get 1.415. So how do you find theta? Theta is equal to, you take tan inverse, the right hand side, 1.5. Theta becomes tan inverse of 1 point is equal to 55.9. So let's go back. So how do we find? So to find the bearing of Q from R, you start from here, the positive, to which means that it is 65 plus 55 point. Therefore, the bearing of Q from R is, you have 65,065 plus 55.8. When you add, you are going to get 120.9. We have been asked to correct to one decimal place. So after the decimal place, you check the first number, which is 9, and then the number after 9, 8. When you add 1 is more than 5, so we add 1 to 9. 9 will be 10. Then you carry the 1 forward, making 121.0. Viewers, this is where we have come to. Thank you for watching this video. In case you don't understand anything, just go to the comment area, type your question there. You definitely don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you another time.